Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of tier-based discount in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application allows businesses to set up flexible discount structure based on purchase quantity and sales volume. With this module, you can reward customer with better pricing as they buy more, encouraging bulk purchases and boosting sales. It's perfect for B2B and wholesale environments where scalable pricing strategies are essential. So first of all, we will go into the sales module, open that. Under configuration, you will find the menu for price variation configuration. Open that, and from here you can create your price variation discount. Here I have already created one price variation discount in the name of tier 1. You can enter your tier name here. Under that you will find a menu for offer validity. Add your start and end date as you like. Under that you will find the menu for tier applicable amount. Under that you will find a field for minimum amount, which I have set at 0, and you can update your maximum amount, which I have added 5,000. Under that you will find a field for partner. Here you can see the field for partner. In here you can select your partner. I will be selecting Azure and Deco as my partners. Save it, and under that total invoiced amount between dates, you need to add your from date and to date. In here I have added my from and 2 days date. Under that you will find a menu for price lines. Here you can select your product type, whether you want to select all or you want to select specific. I am selecting all right now, and if you select specific, you can enter your products under this products field. Here now under discount field, you need to add your discount in percentage. I have selected 10% discount on all products. After this we will go into the products. Here go into the products, and here we will select any one product. I will be selecting acoustic block screen. Open that, and here you can see in general information, you can see the sales price of this product is $295. Here you have seen the sales price of this product. Now under orders we will go into the quotations, and here we will create a new quotation. Click on new, and in here enter your customer. I will be entering Deco Addict as my customer, and for the products I will be selecting acoustic block screen. Here you can see the total price of the acoustic block screen is $295, but as soon as I add this product into my quotation, you can see the unit price is updated to $265, which is 10% less of $295. So you can see here that the discount is applied to the partner. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.